To understand how vaccines work, we should first understand how our immune system defends us when foreign microbes invade us. Our immune system will try to defend and remove them from our body. The symptoms of working immune system is not specific. Fever and coughing are some of them. Our immune system also have a second line defense system called adaptive immunity. The adaptive immunity consists of specialized cells called T cells and B cells. These cells will fight against pathogens and they also create a memory that how the invaders look like and how to fight them. Recognizing information about them, it helps when same pathogen invades again. B cells will develop into plasma cells that produce antibodies, which specifically bind to a component on the pathogen. This component on the pathogen is called as antigen. Despite with this system, there is still risk that our immune system take time to learn how to fight with pathogen. That amount of time is enough for most pathogens to cause enough damage that would be fatal. What if we prepare ourselves advance before the pathogen invade? This is where the vaccine comes in. A vaccine is an alternated form of the pathogen or a part of it that acts like an antigen and triggers the production of antibodies. There are many different types of vaccines and they each work uniquely. First, we have live attenuated vaccines. These vaccines use a weakened form of pathogen that cause disease. Because these vaccines are so similar to the natural infection, they create a strong and long-lasting immunity. However, weakened pathogens are still strong enough to cause illness in people with weak immunity, and therefore they cannot be used for this group of people. Inactivated vaccines. These kind of vaccines contain the pathogens that are completely inactivated by heat, chemical or radiation, so they cannot infect cells and replicate. They are safer than attenuated vaccines but less effective and multi-doses may require to maintain long-lasting immunity. Subunit vaccines. These kind of vaccines will only include a specific part of the pathogen. They cannot cause disease. They are safe, but identifying a right part is a very difficult task. Toxoid vaccines. These vaccines are made by weakened toxins. Some bacteria cause illness by releasing toxins. Toxoid vaccines are made by inactivating these toxins. The inactivated toxin will not cause disease but induce the production of antibodies. Conjugate vaccines. These vaccines are made by combining the weak antigen with strong antigen. Some bacteria have a protective coat. The coat is a weak antigen. It not provoke a production of strong antibodies. Vaccines with weak antigens will not protect the person effectively. To overcome this problem, the weak antigen is combined with the strong antigen from another source as carrier.